Assalamu alaikum. May I sit here? Okay, thank you. So, what are you doing? Are you gossiping?
Yes, sir.
Are you gossiping?
Yes, sir. We're gossiping.
So, what are you doing?
I'm playing.
Are you playing?
Yes, sir. I'm playing.
But is it playing time?
No, sir.
So, why are you playing?
I'm playing because I'm feeling bored.
Are you feeling boring?
Yes, sir.
But why?
Because you didn't invite me in the opening program.
Didn't I invite you?
No, sir.
But I called you many times, yeah? Of course, I wanted to invite you. That's why I called you many times. I called you maybe 3 or 4 times to your mother's mobile phone, but your mother's mobile phone was switch off. So please don't feel boring and enjoy, please, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, oh, hello, Mukid. Are you Mukid?
Yes, sir. I'm a kid.
So, what are you doing right now?
Sir, I'm reading.
Are you reading?
Yes, sir. I'm reading.
Is it reading time?
No, sir. It is not reading time.
I told you just for writing, okay, just for writing a letter for me. But you are reading. So, but why?
Sir, I don't have any pen.
Why is your pen?
My pen is at my home.
I know that, and I believe that actually you were just a brilliant student. So you should keep all the instruments with you all the time before coming here. Have you got me?
Yes, sir. I have got you.
Okay, so in the next class you have to write the letter again, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are you doing here?
We are just gossiping, sir.
That is a gossiping time.
Sir, it isn't.
I told you just reading a newspaper. Where is your newspaper?
My newspaper is in my bags.
In your bag.
Yes, sir.
So sad, but I told you many times that just take out the newspaper from your bag and then study. Then read. But you didn't listen to me carefully. So I'll give you punishment after completing this session. Okay? So just please wait for the punishment. Is there anyone, please? You. Hello? You come here, please. Come here. What's your name?
My name is Making Ching Marma. You can call me Mina.
Oh, are you Mina?
Yeah.
So what are you doing here?
Sir, I'm thinking about my study.
Oh, are you thinking about your study?
Yes.
That means you are such a very beautiful and brilliant student. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just tell me, please, what are you thinking about your study?
Sir, I'm thinking about my study because my examination are coming, but I didn't learn my lessons yet.
Oh, it's actually my examination is coming. Oh, that means yes, I've understood you that I've got you that. That means you are thinking about your study because your examination is coming, but you couldn't take proper preparation. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm praying for you. Just go there. There is no need to feel boring or to feel worried. You just there are lots of time actually. Okay, I know that your examination will be held after 1 month, so you can take preparation. Okay,
Okay.
so you can start your studying from today. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so my dear students, we don't have enough time actually right now. It has been already 2 minutes late, so we have to finish our class right now. Then, in the next class, I'll take another session as like this way. Have you got me?
Yes.
So clap everyone, please. Thank you very much.